Hi and welcome back. This will be a short tour of the new Class Enum possibility. So previously we had enums as global in the global namespace, and you would refer to them as just writing the name of the enum. Now the enum can also be defined as a class, and then you will always require the coder to write the class name before using the enum. And I will show you how that looks. So let's return a string, and using then first of all we want to use the weather severity enum, and then regardless if it's a class or not, we can now use the lookup feature of this enum, and then we can use the new class enum as our main result. And now these are enums, so we want to return a string and the string equivalent of this enum. So we need to put these enums within a string, like so. And you can see that now this compiles. And the options that we have now is that global class, we don't need to use the prefix at all. So this works equally well. The nice thing is using the enum name is that it will be more readable for the next programmer that will read this code. But it works with or without. However, the class enum does not compile without using the class name. So here we will enforce the user to write the class name in the code, which might be a good practice for readability of the code. So let's just see if we got this working. We have the function and we can drop it, and we can see that it does return the string equivalent of our newly written code. That's today's tip. Thank you very much.